To get started, plug in the machine and press the red rocker switch on the back to turn it on. To change your settings, press OK in the center. OK once will change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Press OK twice to change the temperature settings. Press OK a third time to change your time settings. And press OK a fourth time to confirm all of the settings that you've changed. Choose the correct size platen for your hat and insert it into the machine by lining up the pegs on the bottom. Lay the hat over the platen, making sure to pull the lining over the front. You know you've picked the right size platen if it lays flush over the top. We want to avoid any space between the platen and the hat, as this will cause wrinkles and may not allow your design to attach completely. Make sure the back of the hat is over top of the metal lever below the platen and push the black knob away from you to pull the hat tightly over the platen. Place your design and a piece of parchment paper over the hat and pull the hat press closed until the magnet engages. This hat press has an auto-release feature, and when the timer is up, the machine will automatically open back up. On the flat press, flip the red rocker switch to turn the machine on. Press set once to alter the temperature settings using the up and down arrows. Press set twice to alter the press time settings. Press set a third time to change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press set a fourth and fifth time, keeping both these numbers at 0 and confirming all of your settings. When the blue number matches the white number, the temperature is fully heated and the press is ready to go. If you're pressing a garment, choose the correct size heat press pillow and insert it between the layers. This pillow will help the garment lay flat and protect from heat damage. You'll also want to cut a piece of butcher paper to the size of your transfer. When the press is fully heated, lay your material flat on the center of the lower platen and insert your heat press pillow. Close the press for 2 to 3 seconds to remove any wrinkles from the fabric. Then, you'll open it back up, lay down your transfer design, cover it with butcher paper, and then close the press completely.